The antenna pad is an integral part of the BRICON electronic timing system. You can have great confidence in the reliability of the BRICON system, but nevertheless there may be times when you wish to reaffirm that the system is connected up correctly. There are system checks that can be carried out in order to establish that the antenna pads are functional. This can be done by putting the system into antenna testing mode, which is a feature provided free of charge on the BRICON system. To access antenna testing, firstly you get the Speedy onto its main menu by pressing the C button. You then press the navigational button until the icon for antenna testing is in the centre of the screen. When this is reached, you press the OK button to activate antenna testing. This is the icon for antenna testing. After pressing the OK button, the display on the Speedy will show testing with the number of antenna pads you have connected to the system. An electronic chip ring can now be passed over the pad to test the antenna. A bleep will be heard repeatedly each time that the chip is detected by the antenna pad. The chip can be passed over each electromagnetic field within the pad for the bleeps to be heard. If more than one antenna pad is connected, then for each pad this procedure can also be followed. Antenna testing can only be carried out when the Speedy is free of races, as for security reasons, access to the menu of the Speedy is blocked when a race is active on the clock. During a race, there is, however, an alternative method of testing the antenna pad, and this, for the want of a better term, can be called dancing rings. To do this, you need two fresh electronic chip rings that have not been linked to the Speedy. Whenever an unlinked ring is detected by the system when in clocking mode, it is registered on the Speedy as an unknown bird. The chip will then be ignored by the system until after another ring has been detected. Therefore, if two fresh electronic chip rings are alternatingly put onto the pad, the system will bleep for one chip, then the other repeatedly, thus serving the same function as antenna testing. This is how you do it. These fresh chip rings will not be recorded and will not be shown on any race clockings.